In front of me is TCL 50 SE, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off location. All you need to do is access tab menu and look for location shortcut. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is blue, which means that location is on. To switch it off, hit the same one. If you want to, you can also go into settings, scroll down and click on location section. Then use this switcher at the top to manage it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!